go to set you free. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you there.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I
Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Anahat Art. Today we are going to paint a supermoon acrylic painting. I hope so all of you will enjoy it. Okay. Hi everyone. For today's session, I have taken this artist canvas pad. You get a lot of canvas pad in the market. I will show you few of my paintings which I have done on these canvas pads. This is one. This is something which I have done it on the canvas pad. So these canvas pad, as the name suggests, is the acrylic or acid free and good for acrylic painting. You can do oil painting also. Okay. And you can remove one single sheet from this canvas pads. So in this pack I have 10 sheets. I have already utilized few of them, and for today's session I am taking this. See, usually I don't use canvas. Alright, so here is this canvas sheet. Now to prepare this canvas sheet, I have taken this MDF. Okay, it's a very thin 4 mm MDF, and this is the masking tape. Masking tape we use to stick our paper on place like this. Okay, so this way you can mask your canvas. Suppose you don't want to use canvas or canvas sheets, so you get these acrylic sheets. I am using Brustro brand. You can use any other brand. Okay, make sure your acrylic sheets are more than 200 GSM. Okay, so now another part is that before you are using canvas, please make sure your canvas is nicely primed in the sense you have to use a smoother canvas, the smoother surface. If your canvas surface is not smooth, you can use this gesso. I normally use Brustro brand. I will give the link in the comment box. So take the required amount of gesso in your palette. Right, here I am taking gesso and just give strokes of gesso on your canvas. If you don't have gesso, okay, you can simply use the white shade of acrylic color. it will give same effect to your canvas. You will prime your canvas only if it is rough, if the canvas surface is rough. All right. Rough, if the canvas surface is rough. All right. First, here I am dividing my canvas, okay, like this. We'll need white color also, cobalt blue, Persian blue, and then deep brill also. What is the meaning of my canvas is unstable? I didn't get you, man. Yeah, when I hit on the table, the canvas becomes unstable. When I move, I hit my table, so canvas becomes unstable. So I am doing freehand moon first. So today I have started very slow, okay, so that all of you can catch up with me. I have done the outline for the moon size. So let's first start the sky part. I have taken this Persian blue. If you don't have Persian blue, you can use cobalt blue. You can do it with pen. You can do it with brush and paint. All right. Punita ji, I'm mentioning the color as soon as I'm taking colors. So same Persian blue, we are going to give it from here, from the down. Hello Alka ji. Please like my page, which I have pinned in the description box. Okay, lot of you don't know my page, and please share this video so that lot of people can join for the free sessions. Aarti ji, recording will be available on my page, which I have pinned in my video. If you can see, you can like that page. It's Anahat Art. It's Anahat Art. So this Persian blue, we have to paint it till some part of the moon. It's a very easy painting today, which we are going to paint. It's a very easy one. Ranjit ji, I have named the colors when I have started the session. Alright. It's Persian blue which I have taken. Yes, for you I will send you the link. Now we'll take deep brill from here. We have to use flat brush. If you don't have flat brush, you can use round brush also. Carefully around the circle of the moon. I have taken deep brill. See, you can see here. It's deep brill I have taken. If you don't have deep brill, you can take Crimson Lake also. Now we are doing shading with the white. Same deep brill We are going to use it here. You can take Crimson Lake from these bottles or from tube. I'm using tube crimson. I have deep magenta also. Okay, if you don't have deep magenta, take crimson. I'm doing some shading at the boundaries. Okay. You can WhatsApp me, but I won't be able to see now. I will see it later on. Okay, and will reply you back. So again I am giving second layer of deep brill. If you don't have pink color, you can take crimson. Okay, take crimson shade. Take little Persian blue here at the boundary. Again you have to take Persian blue, do shading here. Ranjit ji, what do you mean? I didn't get you. What you have to ask exactly? Is pink as independent color? You mean to you want to ask that I'm using independent color like direct shade of pink? Just do little shading here with white, very little shading. Don't keep it raw like plain. Just do little shading with white. See, all of you, please understand one concept. Never ask for brush number to anyone. Alright, you have to choose your brush number according to your painting area. Please never ask anyone which brush number. I will tell you if you want brush ka brand number. The area that you are going to paint with your brush is always going to be different. My area of painting and your area of painting is not same unless you are using same size of the canvas. Okay. Yes, pink is readily available, Ranjit ji. Alright, shade is deep brill. I am repeating again and again. Shade is deep brill. Okay, I hope so. You are listening to it. It's a deep brill. This is the second coat, and now we'll do shading in the middle here like this. Namrata ji, yes, you can use acrylic papers. We get acrylic papers. You can use acrylic papers. Okay. इससे ज़्यादा हम स्लो नहीं जा सकते, ये बहुत स्लो हो रहा है. I don't know rate of. You have to find that on Amazon, right? Sharmila ji, you will get all the rate. I don't sell stationery. You will get all the rate on the Amazon. All right. See, if I miss any questions, so I will reply in the comment box later on. We are waiting this part to dry. Okay, this part, once this above sky, part is dry, we will do shading here. If you like my session, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as like our page on Facebook and Instagram handle. No, Rohita, I have not used purple shade. I have used Persian blue and deep brill and somewhere crimson. So I'm doing just shading with white color again here, and when these two colors get mixed, when they are wet on your canvas, it creates your lilac shade. I'm just doing little shading with white and crimson on my water, as it is reflection of the sky. Okay. See, someone was asking me about the brush number. So why never ask anyone about their brush number when suppose here I have this area to paint, right? So to paint this area, I will need a brush which is almost smaller and will give few strokes here, and I will complete this. But for this area, if I use, suppose my area here is this much, and if I am using this brush, the like very big brush, and I told you like use this so and so brush, and your area might be very smaller than this. So will it be okay for you to paint with this big size number brush? So no. So never ask anyone about their brush number. Just decide your brush number according to your area of the painting which you are going to paint. So here my area is this much, so I will decide my own brush number for myself. So I'm just coloring this moon with white shade while rest of the painting is drying. See, when I am painting this circle, like the moon is in circle, the shape of the moon is a full circle. So when I am painting, so my brush direction is circular in motion. Alright, it's not going horizontal or vertical. once we done this much, I have purple shade. You can make purple shade by mixing Persian blue or cobalt blue with crimson. I have ready purple shade, so I am just giving the strokes like this on moon. If you don't have purple shade, you can take plain cobalt blue shade, right? This is I am doing slightly wet on slightly wet moon, right? So this another shade, I don't have the peacock green, I don't have, I guess, let me check. It's slightly we are using on the moon. I'll show you. Okay, slightly, very slightly. Some of the comments I can't see, I guess, on another phone. So if you don't have pink shade, you can use, I said, crimson. Take crimson, okay, merge it with the, take white and create pink shade. If you mix crimson and white, you will get pink, light pink. Alright. Okay, wait, let me see. Yes, Meenarji, all my sessions are recorded on my page. I have pinned my page link. All of you can like that page and please help me reach 10k so that we can conduct more and more free sessions. You can see we have Pichwai painting workshop free sessions also on my page. Now this has almost dried, so either you can take Persian blue or you can directly take black. Yes, I have taken ultramarine blue. So first we'll decide here trees का length. I'm marking first. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. See, it's very easy painting. इससे difficult तो हमने I have taken in paid sessions, so it's very easy one. All of you will do it. Yes, you can take. So I'm just, giving strokes like this for my tree. You can use green also, but this is kind of shadow. Okay, so we are using black, or you can use Persian blue. On moon you can use purple, directly purple. If you don't have purple, you can take cobalt blue and the pink or the light green. See, for these small trees you can use smaller brush. I don't have a smaller flat brush I have. So for these small trees I'm going to use small flat brush. See, accordingly you have to change your brush number. Alright. Yes, I have used black color. You can use Persian blue also. Nice Rakhi ji. I don't use much neon colors. Okay. So here we are going to draw a shadow of these trees here. So for that I am taking Persian blue. So shadows are going like this in the water. Today's painting is very simple one. Alright. We are not yet done. No, I have taken the dry brush. Okay. Not with much water. Whatever water I have on my brush, only that much I have taken. Okay. So here I am just going to do a little highlight from here with crimson. Ranjit ji, you can like my page called Anahat Art. Alright. You will get next schedule on my page itself. So with white, I'm just putting some highlights, dry brush. Let this part gets dry, right? Till then, we'll do little shading here. If you feel this part is very light, so give another shade of Persian blue. Give another layer of Persian blue on this. Alright, so till all of you catch up with me, I'll show you few paintings. See, this is the one we have done in the paid sessions. Okay, and this one, and this is another one which is acrylic paint. And to know about the next workshop, you can like my page which I have pinned in the comment. Alright, so you will get a notification for the same. So since I don't right now have toothbrush, I have to show here little stars. So what I will do, I will just take my brush, dry brush, dip it into white. Okay, oh nice, Umaji. Please tell all of them on your account to follow my page also. Yeah, please follow my page also. You can just sprinkle your brush like this. Okay. you will do some part here also. यहाँ पे बहुत छोटे से स्प्रिंकल होंगे एंड यहाँ पे you will give little more. Okay. Which shadow part we are not yet done, Sarita ji? Just wait for it. I am waiting for this to dry. All right. Now take Persian blue and again do your some zigzag shading. उमा जी प्लीज आपके अकाउंट पे भी मेरा लिंक डाल दो एंड प्लीज टेल एवरीवन टू फॉलो मी. ऑलराइट, आई विल बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू. नाउ विथ पर्शियन ब्लू विल डू द शेडिंग ऑफ द शैडो हियर. Thank you, Velanka ji. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. You can visit my YouTube page also. I have lot of free sessions painting uploaded on YouTube. Just with the round brush go like this and do like this. Just do a zigzag pattern with the Persian blue. Okay. So we are not yet done. Now take dry brush, take white here on your brush. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm looking forward to see your painting, Velanka. So this same video is going to be uploaded on YouTube. You will find my channel with the same name, Anahat Art by Aditi Tawde. Yes, Diya, I know about you. सी कोई तो ना बाय मिस्टेकली एंग्री का बटन दबा रहा है, आई गेस somebody is doing it by mistakenly. We are almost done now. Once your painting is dried, please do not forget to sign your initials or the full name on your painting, okay, because you have created that painting, so do not forget to sign your painting. Okay, so we have completed. I'll answer now all of your questions. Ranjit ji, you are asking me question or taking my exam. I feel like you are taking my exam. There is a color spreader. It is metallic. What its name? Sorry, I do not belong to any brand. It's my own page. I am an art teacher and artist. I do not know what is metallic and what it is. Thank you, Muskan ji. Pratima ji, my YouTube channel is Aditi Anahat Art by Aditi Tavde. Yes, you can share your painting on my message inbox. So I'm just going to sign my painting here like this. Sign your painting once you complete it. No, I do not know metallic color spreader. Metallic, I do not know. I know metallic colors are there. So here is our painting. Sanya, you can send me.
This session was recorded live on Facebook. If you want to attend such free session, please like our Facebook page. Thank you so much.